Hello everyone, today I am going to unbox a special custom made cover for my Oculus Rift. It is known as the VR cover. You can get more details at vrcover.com. And I ordered it only 18 days ago and I received it, and here in this box, in this envelope here, and it helps us protect the front part of our Oculus Rift. If you can see this foam part here, so that it protects it from moisture or sweat from our faces, especially in the summer season when we use the Oculus Rift, and it will most probably get sweaty and become um, a bit uncomfortable to use between users, or especially from one people to another. So it protects this border part, the foam part of Oculus Rift, and especially covers the whole thing, so that we can change it and again put it back and wash the cover, so that only the cover gets dirty and the rift foam stays the way it is. Okay, let's continue with the unboxing, and later I am going to put it on my Oculus Rift. And I am really happy with delivery speed of this cover. I was a bit worried that it would take more than a 20 days or a month maybe, but it came really quickly. Took only 18 days. Okay, you can directly open it like this. Okay. Good. I didn't have to cut it off or rip it off or something. Here is the small bag. I actually saw the product and it actually has a different bag this time, but okay. This white bag and a logo in front, VR cover, if you can see. Yes, it's good. It especially is good. It will actually be useful to not just throw it away. It will be useful to cover more the cables that come out from our Oculus Rift. Here I have attached my lip motion device on top, in the front of it, and the cables here get sometimes discreet, so it will actually help these stay together. Let's continue with the unboxing. Okay, here is the box. Each box has 3 covers, and let's say here's the 1 and the 2, and actually another should be another 3, and a small, okay, how to use manual, something. You can see a small page on front is just closed. Okay, let's put this aside, the box, okay, the envelope aside, sorry. Okay, now let's put one of them on. It's actually isn't that thick, so it won't get into the way of immersion, but let's put it on the Rift itself. Let's see. but it's okay. I think it will actually make some air pass through the forehead here, so that it doesn't get too uncomfortable or something. But it will actually help, because sometimes especially we can see through some space or gaps in front of our nose or side of our nose to the down lights come in, and sometimes distracts the VR immersion feeling. But this will help. Okay, I will be wearing it and doing another review later. And there you go. This is the VR cover. You have three covers. The one I put just here, here is the two, and here is a. And do not just. It will be useful really to put the cables together, keep the cables together. It is adjustable too. So yeah, this is. I was actually looking for something like this. It came with this thing in a bag, so that you can carry it. A small how to use manual that will hardly, that is really not that useful, but it's always there with any product there comes. Okay, thank you for watching.